Nena na canal circular. Assalamualaikum, assalamualaikum. Ni wajah tu na canal circular. Kana sakit bere. Kana sakit tu canal circular. Kau jangan bisa. Yang tu dah siapa tu nak buat apa? Mereka sakit bere. Okay? Nete Mexican yang kuna de. Dia mesra de ni kuna. Dia Muslim ni, Muslim ni. Bego Brooklyn dulu. Loja Brooklyn na tanah sirkulan dia makola sakit perlaw. Senegal bea Malion bea ni korke Umar bea. Tapi salan dem na fu apna Chinois do ka botu me Chinois fla. Ulu temble India ni Espanyol de. My brother Omar that used to come here is a light-skinned guy, just like me, but taller than me. 2010, when I was looking for him, the police station over there, the police guy find him for me. That's my brother, because my brother is still here. My brother looked just like me. Last time when I looked for him in 2010, because he been disappeared for 2 years. I went to the police station, I'm Orokia Tuketa, in 2010. When the police see, they will know who am I. Okay? Then they have to get my brother for me. They say they know somebody, so they show me my brother in here. Okay? I live in US for 25 years. I'm not a visitor. I'm US citizen and I'm African. Okay? I'm Orokia. People call me Orokia. My mother is Salimata Keita. Salimata Keita, not Salimata Jallo. Is not my mother. I don't know her. I went to braid in her shop. Okay, she also have a son named Umar. He's not my family member. My brother's name is Umar Bagayoko. They call him Umar Keita. And I am Urukiat. My mother name is Salimata Keita. She never come to United States. They call Sali. Okay? Because these full of people, when I say, they be saying this woman, she's not in my family. I left Africa when I was 19. So I know my family member. She asking me, where is your family? I said, in the US. I don't have no husband or children. I have my family outside. They say I don't have no family member. How many people you know that they don't have no family member? My father got 2 wives and 26 children. 2 wives and 14 children his own, but the rest of children is his brother children. Okay? My father from Trokorobuku, Bamako. I went to Africa 2021 for my last time. I still have my flight ticket here, and I have a passport. 2018 I went to Africa. When I buy the home, they say I never worked before. I say that's not true, because they're trying to snatch in my house, and they say that. Then they will say my name is Orokia Sise. I say I'm Orokia Keta. I'm Orokia Tuketa, and they say I'm Orokia Sise and Sali was having the homosexual. My own mother says she's not my mother. She insulted her. She said I insulted my mother. I said, you say I'm your homosexual girl, right? Okay, I'm gonna post this on YouTube so people who know me that you went to give me birth in hospital laboratory. I am your daughter. That's not true. I mean, that come to me, I don't know her. The whole entire United States, I've never been homosexual. That's not true. Hey, they betray me. I used to have a business in Illinois. I went to school in here, comprehensive high school in the 14th Street. I went to college and university. I worked in the hospital before I worked in the PCA. Everything that I do, they betray me. Everything what I do, they will bring somebody have a competition. That's why I was not born in the United States. But I'm not the only foreigners in the U.S. How many population is the U.S. and how many foreigners left in the outside of the U.S. to come and reside here and become naturalization? I'm not the first one, and they're still here. Obama's father was not from here, and Donald Trump wife is not from here. That's what I'm talking about. So what people talking about don't understand that. Whatever go there, there's but nothing here. But I'm doing the video today. Okay? I am not a dog. I never owned a dog in my life. My father never adopted a dog. Last time Mariam Janese is these people who don't talk to the dog. I'm not a dog. I'm a human being. Okay? Human being give a birth to the human being. Dog give a birth to the dog. Okay? So if somebody parents is a dog, their children is gonna be a dog. If your parents is a human, you're gonna be a human. So what do you think now? You think my parents is a dog and give a dog a birth? I'm a human being. Alright? Yani kanal sirte sa kifirlob na yan. Mama go is Saki Ferilla. Let me call you even the dog. Okay? Mama go is Saki Ferilla. Nicola Mina Abla YouTube. Uncorrect Mina, Shinwa Bitigi Nuk Mesh, Shinwa Chamam Body Mesa. Mekabirko coronavirus bana 2020-21. U caman dɛsɛr'u ka story sarada sabula bitigi datuguna ka kalo caman de kɛ yan nɔ bitigi ninnu da ka gɛlɛn donc u y'a datugu caman y'a ta datugu bɔ dɔw yɛrɛ tilala k'a dayɛlɛ kɔrɔkɛ tun bɛ na siniwaw de tun bɛ bitigi kɔnɔ ninnu kɔnɔ siniwaw ta tɛ ne ka saki ye dɛ bitigi tun bɛ ne yɛrɛ bolo siniwa cɛ de tun bɛ bitigi kɔnɔ siniwa cɛ a bɛ saki ne kɔrɔkɛ bɛ saki ta en gros la a fɛ ni mun bɛ feere 100 ne kɔrɔkɛ b'o feere 200 ni mun bɛ feere $1000 ni mun bɛ feere $100 ne kɔrɔkɛ b'o feere $150 ni mun bɛ feere $1000 ne kɔrɔkɛ b'o feere $1200 a b'a ka pourcentage la i n'a fɔ kundigi yɔrɔ la aw bɛ hafa-hafa kɛ cogo min na ni client ye ok kundigila mana na an ka salon bɛ ne bolo yen nɔ ni kundigila nana ni salon bɛ aw bolo sa ni kundigila nana n'a ye kundigi 200 aw bɛ 100 ta ninnu fana tun b'o kɛ mais ne mana pourcentage la dɛ ne nana ni ne ka bɔ n ka so de I came with my bag. The Shinwa tide I'm going kɔrɔkɛ ne de ko ne kɔrɔkɛ tɔgɔ Umar ne ko kɔrɔkɛ tun bɛ saki feere ne bɛ ka bɔ ko fɔ ko ne ye cɛ ye ko ne bɛ saki feere a kɔrɔkɛ ko worokɛ kɔrɔkɛ ko a bɛna ka yira ko ye worokɛ ye ko ne kɔrɔkɛ bɛ saki feere e nangara ba ye e se y'a faamuya n'i ka kuma f'i ye o bala k'ale ka juguya dɔ bɛ se k'i faga manamana ko la donc a y'a dabila trop c'est trop voilà ne ta dɔn dɛ an bɛna taa nana Samu no thank you I'm selling the bag myself yeah okay I'm not an 2008 ap me san 23 ne bɛ san 27 ka taa Mariam ba fɛ Virginia o tun bɛ san 52 okay I'm not a tun b'o dɔn ne t'o dɔn an bɛna taa jamu ye ba Mariam jamu ye ba mun bɛ dɔnkilida kɛ o ko tɛ dɛ o ye denmisɛnnin de ye okay ka sɔrɔ ka denmisɛnnin fitinin dɔ minɛ ka na k'o tɔgɔ ko Mariam ba ka sɔrɔ ka yɛlɛ i tɛ n bonya okay o de kɛ ne yan kabi don jumɛn san 23 teri o bɛ kɛ san 52 ye ayi o dabɔra de ko k'o tɛgɛ ko ɲɛ ko ka kulonkɛ kɛ a mɔgɔ ɲɔgɔnw na ok i se ka kulonkɛ kɛ na k'i tɛgɛ ko c'est-à-dire k'o kɔrɔ ko ka denmisɛnnin fitinin bolo don teriya la mɔgɔkɔrɔba bolo o nana ne fɛ mun ale y'a dɔn k'o bɛ yan mun ale mi tilen ka taa yen o tuma a bɛna ne fɛ yen ka na ne dalakɔrɔbɔ ka sɔrɔ k'i tilen ka taga yen nɔ ka sɔrɔ ka taga san 52 ni san 24 san 23 bɛ yala pour que ka kulonkɛ kɛ san 27 la ne de tun ye san 27 don min na ko bi ne bɛ san 40 ni san 2 Aminata bɛ san 37 la à nos jours d'aujourd'hui Aminata elle a 37 ans quand elle était nouvellement venue elle avait 23 ans j'avais 27 ans je n'étais pas mariée ni d'enfant je n'ai pas d'enfant je n'ai jamais été mariée I never have a child in my life I never have an abortion all right Aminata I don't know what she have done in Africa but I was a very virgin when she came in 2008 I was a virgin woman never have a sex before she came okay her mother and my mother sent her here people say she's a homosexual girl but I don't know her my own mother tell me I'm Urukia Keita they say Urukia Sise and Salimata Keita waving her brother sexual I say Salimata Keita is my mother and they say I'm Salimata Urukia Sise as I'm Urukia to Keita my mother called me Urukia then I tell my mother I call my mother I say you don't respect me you don't respect me my mother insult I say this is my mother say I'm not her mother then she insulted me I insulted her back and she say oh it is she I don't respect her she's my mother but you tell me I am Urukia Sise I'm not Urukia Keita and I am your homosexual girl so even if you go to Allah when you tell Allah that when I say ask her she said I'm not her daughter so when you say that I will insult you do you hear me okay I come here since in 2009 2010 when my brother get lost the police station over there I went in there with my brother picture they come here they say somebody is here he look just like me I say for real yeah just remember that's what I'm looking for they say yeah he's a man so they come here find my brother here in 2000 then I call my mother and my brother talk they say oh why you lost for 2 years my brother disappeared for 2 years before 2 years nobody didn't know where he went okay from 2009 he disappeared then in 2010 2011 I find him he disappeared from 2009 and 2012 I find him in here when I share his picture his photo my brother Umar Bagayogo they call Umar that's a tourist car people who came from everywhere okay people who came from everywhere in the whole entire world this Tubo is a tourist mean people who come from outside of the US to visit the United States tourists some people work to interpret the language for them they also hire for that The tourists, but I know that because before, when I was in high school, we used to do the commission. When the tourists come, you interpret the language for them because I speak French, I speak English, and some Spanish and some Arabic and Bambara. So you have to interpret the language, translate in English. Some of the majority of them don't understand English. The car that pass, I'm not talking about these people. These two cars that passing, people gonna say they're white. People from white people, all them is not from US. So people, you see, another one is coming. Okay, even the black people, everybody is not from the US. When they come, they will hire in the 42nd Street too, and 34th Street. They will hire people to interpret the language, for the tourists that will come, the visitor tourists.
No video.
Yeah, for the visit. Hey, don't talk to me. Am I your wife? If I'm not your wife, don't tell me. So this is the tourist car. That's why they're on the top. You see, they have a phone. They're making video. You see, this tourist car have a phone. They're making video, and that's why they're having tourists. Am I your wife? If you tell me don't do a video, that's what I'm talking about. When I come, they're trying to. Do I look? You think you open eyes than me, or do I look like a naive to you? I live in US for 25 years. I attended high school and college and university in this US. Don't tell me what to do. All right? He be telling me, you see that every people have it. This is a tourist place. People walk around and a video. Okay? Last time when I interpret somebody's language in African hair salon, in a Trinity hair salon, Siri says people don't let her boss don't let her use the phone. She never worked for me. I never become the shop owner in Queens. Never. I am Orokia Tuketa. Never owned the shop in the Queens. She said she worked in the hillside. I was interpreting. She said they didn't want her to video. I never. That's not true. That's not true. She was working somebody else. I am from Mali, and they're from Guinea, Conakry. They speak Mandingo, I speak Bambara. We understand each other. All right? I'm from Bamako, Mali. And the Trinity from Nigeria. She doesn't understand her language. You have to interpret it for her. All right? Then they went to talk people. She was working for me, and I said she doesn't. I didn't let her use the camera. I said that's not true. You never work in my shop. Hey, Saliko. Then I'm here for Manangakan. I even Manangakan. Ina nandi de iti Anglican. Ne de mekatara di ne bateni ne babe Africa toko saluma takita. Lagi ne kamu nani nana aka Aisha. Trinity ka saloma. Trinity ni ngatiba telefoni utiliser kono kute son kika telefoni utiliser. Mo ko ka fakip meka baraka ne fe kono te so ga telefoni utiliser na salon. Ni ma beli ka baraka ne fe. Salon tene ta Trinity te ka salon ne ta tele. Ne kun tara kun digila ina fo tara kun digila ni. He. Ima ne ma de ka salon dai la quincy mu mebe. Ha. Okay? Ne ma de ka salon dai la ine. He. Ni ka kan interpréter comme bamananga fo mananga kan fo bamananga fo. Okay? Ne borom malila. Iya famia. Ne ka salon dai ne. Donc ne yaw besro meshi digile ne wolon bi ci sam binan ni sam fla trinity ka ko halni ne babbe ta flana ok ma ne babbalo lewo ne bamani joni ma ko ne tan ko ne baflando bi joni ma ko ne ko do ne like ok ma ne de shindo da ko na ne demolo. If you give a birth to a child, who's supposed to tell them, discipline them? Your parents supposed to teach you what to do and what not to do, or the school. How can you blame outside person? I'm not your family member. I'm not here for show you what to do. And you tell people, I teach you how to do the hair in people hair. Eh? You tell people, you never work with I never teach you how to do the hair, and you never work in my shop. Tu es en train de dire aux gens que je t'ai enseigné comment mettre les mèches sur la tête des gens. Je n'ai jamais ouvert l'école de cosmétologie en Amérique pour montrer les gens comment faire ça. Et tous les salons d'Amérique ici, là, je suis venue la trouver ici, sauf quelques-uns. La mèche usine, là, les usines des mèches, je n'appartiens à rien. Et ça n'est jamais fermé. Ok? Je travaille pour mes dépenses. Je ne suis pas magicien. Je n'ai jamais fait magie pour faire sortir l'argent. Je travaille. I am not a magician. I work. I was working in a hospital, Lincoln Hospital and Brookdale Hospital. I do PCA job. When I go buy my food, they will say, so why they don't see me work in the hair salon? So they tell people where I get money, I'm a magician. I'm not a magician. I'm an African child born in Bamako, Mali. Okay? I'm a Muslim woman. I'm not a magician. Okay. Okay? Because when I have my bank account, sometimes I don't go there. I go withdraw the money and put it in my bag. And when I buy it, they say she always have a little bit of money in her pocket and go buy the food. So you think that's why I'm a magician? I never tell nobody that I was a magician. Je n'ai jamais dit à personne que j'étais magicien. Jamais. Na madiri ka fo moko siye ko ne magicien. Ko ne be jina mbora ke ko ka war labo. Siye do ina maram jane ka saluna ke. Dok me ka fo. Ka ibi ka labo e galuni. Netagara Africa. I went to Africa in 2021. In a BMS. So my money, I was in a short with my money. I went to withdraw the money in a BMS because I sent money. I have an account in BMS. I take money from Capital One. I have a 200,000 francs. Okay? France CFA. That's a 400. I spent 300 for flight ticket. Then I come with the rest. That's why I went to exchange. I went to exchange. Okay? Because France CFA is not value here. I went to exchange to the dollar. You tell people I'm a magician. I am not a magician. Everybody know me. Hey, when I serve this in Mali, everybody know who am I. My mother still alive. My all father children still alive. No, I never tell nobody I was a magician before, and I have never done magician work. All right? That's a lie. If you see somebody with a France CFA asking you how you get this, I will tell you I went to Africa for vacation, and I went to the bank and changed it. Right? You never ask me. I am not a magician. Hey, okay? They tell people I'm a magician, I'm not a magician. I work and I pay the tax. Okay? If you work, I am a US citizen since in 2001. But I wasn't born here. I left Africa at my age of 19. I was born in Bamako, Mali. Alright? 2001 I became the US citizen. Okay. Alright, because I obtained the citizenship. Okay, 2017 I went to Chicago to get the citizen, to get the naturalization certification of naturalization. But the process started in 2001. It ended up in 2017 in Illinois. I tell people I'm a magician. I'm not a magician. I work. Excuse me, are you a magician? Eh? Tu es un magicien? Tu es un magicien? Tu es Mauritanien, mais tu es magicien? Hein?
Magicien?
Oui. Tu fais magique?
Magic?
You know how to do the magic work?
Advice, go your advice.
No. You don't know how to do voodoo work, nothing, right?
I know English.
Yeah,
French,
yeah.
French.
Tu ne connais pas faire les fétiches, rien pour lui.
Fetish?
Yeah, no. Yeah, this is just for regular stuff for just for to send the fly, right? And the dust. Yeah, la poussière. Yeah, I know. I'm not a magician either. This is a use for the dust, right? To take out the dust. I know in Africa, I'm from a couchi. Fait que là où le couchi qui a fait franc, c'est le quai des cheval. D'autres font ça avec le quai des cheval, le quai des vaches, le quai des goats, le quai des moutons. Elles vont prendre ça pour mettre ça à une bâton pour faire enlever la poussière. Okay? The cow tail or the horse tail. So they will use it to take in some can trying to take out the dust when they're selling something, or if they sit down if they sit down around this, like when you're sitting down here, the car driving. So in Africa is the most dusty, so they will do that. But in here, when the car driving the floor is this. You see, when you say that, somebody gonna say, she said Africa, the floor is the ground. Everywhere is a goudronné. Tout c'est goudronné en Amérique ici. Tout outside c'est goudronné. Donc quand c'est goudronné, il n'y a pas beaucoup de poussière. Ok? Mais en Afrique, c'est la plupart des gens utilisent. Afrique, il y a no goudronné en carré qu'on a bella gelina. Amérique carré qu'on a bella gelina. But in Africa, some nice area, there is a goudronné. That is cement. They call cement, 300 logements. They say golf. They say Nyamakoro Kurani. Bon. There's okay. They say cement de la Fiabugu. Okay. Voila. I have my house is in the Sabalibugu. Okay, but it's not finished. Ube soku de ka buguri bo fere fena. Afrique ni mo be sigi sira dala ka fere. Okay? Daro gudron te Afrique fa mera gena. Donc no yo mo go bolo ba fo ki e so mai.